Hello. Building on the last patch that was made using the new phaser synth, I'm going to show you how to color and animate sounds with a synthetic sound. For this, I'm going to use a really cool tool called Shapee. Originally, it came from Chris Penrose and Eric Lyon from the States, who ported the necessary FFT transformation to both PD and max MSP. We've encapsulated that in a usss tool, so usss.shapee, my S, and this particular patch will take a stereo input file, another stereo input file, and essentially cross filter the two. So if you have one sound that's fairly static and pitched but still full of high frequencies, and another sound that's animated again with a wide variety of frequency content, you can begin to create really nice hybrid sounds. You may need to find the Shapee PD external from Eric Lyon's website. Just type Shapee Pure Data into Google and you should be able to get there and install it. But if you have problems, just give me an email and I'll help people out with this. So to make an animated sound, I'm going to put an object box and USSS granular X, my G. I'm going to take a very common vocal sound and put that one in here. The first two outputs, because we're just working in stereo. Put the outputs of my sawtooth waveform, and just to make sure you check your MIDI settings, and I'm using my Fireface MIDI import from a basic MIDI keyboard. I've got some sound there, that's fine. So this sustained sound can come into that side of the Shapee. That goes into my output. Looks like that. Make this look a little prettier. Open up a sound file and go to USSS Tools, Selected Sounds. I'll use the speech sound. You can just make sure that that's working and make grains. So now I can turn up the amp on Shapee. I randomize the position. I'm getting this. And now if I play a chord, so if I just have two grains here, so that it's more like a simple brass arch program, I should have more gap between my the granulated words. The interesting thing here is, as you change the pitch of the animated sound, its spectra will move along a sliding scale, and so you kind of get an additional set of filtering going on. Obviously, with the main pitch really low, there will be no high frequencies, and with the main pitch really high, you'll have lots of high frequencies. But you can imagine this with something better like Stones. Without a without a minor seventh chord. It can be more inharmonic, or just on a drone. And there we leave it with a problem, because that is a repeated pulse, and one of my next compositional objectives will be to randomize that pulse so that it doesn't sound purely mechanical, but save that for another time.